what are the different types of collaborations. So the metrics that brands track cover 20 plus reel formats, you basic to advanced CapCut and InShot editing, deep diving into the skincare, makeup and fashion content creation. How to go viral as a makeup creator, how to work with affiliate programs, 3 collaborations of which 1 will be paid. Hi everyone, this is Alia, mentor at Viral Me University, where you learn content creation and start getting collabs in just 30 days. So in this video, I'll be covering about the curriculum, course format, lecture schedules, faculties and course outcomes like the 3 guaranteed collaborations. Now the course is for both beginners and newbie creators who are looking to learn fashion and beauty content creation with practical experience-based learning. And the curriculum has 7 modules divided across 15 live lectures daily at 7 p.m. on weekdays, along with live mentorship sessions from 5 to 7 p.m. on Zoom webinars. So the very first module covers things like setting up your Instagram account, what are the different types of collaborations like barter, paid, ad reels, also the metrics that brands track like engagement rate, average views, cost per view and more. Then in the second module, we cover 20 plus reel formats used by different beauty and fashion creators along with 25 hook formats so that you can actually understand all the reel types and identify which ones you want to use. Now the third module is where we actually start the reel shooting and editing, in which we cover all the camera angles, background, lighting, setup and basic to advanced CapCut and InShot editing, which will cover all the cuts, effects, transitions, how to add subtitles, adding voiceovers, adding sound effects and so much more. Also, as part of the assignments, we'll ask you to start scripting, shooting and editing so that you get really comfortable creating content, which then will become a part of your UGC portfolio, which will help you land paid collaborations as soon as you graduate. Then from module 4, we will start deep diving into the skincare, makeup and fashion content creation. So first up, skincare content as part of module 4 would cover the skin anatomy and usage of different skincare actives like retinol, niacinamide, vitamin C, rosemary based on different skin concerns like hyperpigmentation, acne, hair loss and other skin and hair care problems. So this module would really help you understand how to actually recommend products. Now in module 5, we have makeup content creation, where we teach you how to build your makeup vanity, how to layer makeup, how to plan a makeup shoot, along with 20 plus reel formats like listicle, transition videos, tutorials, and basically how to go viral as a makeup creator. And for each assignment like skincare, makeup and fashion, the assignment will cover reel creation as the assignment so that you get really comfortable making content and it will help you build your portfolio. For module 6, we cover fashion content creation, where we will teach you how to make reels like Get Ready With Me, fashion transitions, try on hauls, and also how to work with affiliate programs of top fashion brands like Savannah, Numi, Myntra, Meesho. And alongside, we'll also teach you the basics of styling so that you understand the looks that can help you go viral. In the last module of a certified creator course, we will help you build your UGC portfolio and teach you how to price your paid collaborations along with building your profile in a way that brands notice you. Also, how to build your feed in a way that even if you don't have any collaborations, your profile looks aspirational enough for a brand to choose you. After your classes are complete and your portfolio is ready, we help you get 3 collaborations of which 1 will be paid. We have several brands signed up with us in beauty and fashion like Kimerica, Oshia Herbals, Orgatri, Baked Cosmetics, and fashion labels like Dipano and In City Style. And we are constantly building our brands roster, so you can check them out in the description box below. We are also bringing top faculties like Dr. Richa Negi for skincare, Adiba Khan for makeup, and Tanisha Rathod for fashion. You can view their profiles and mentor profiles in the description section below. The enrollment link and the fee details are also added in the description section. You can ask your questions in the comment section or chat with us on WhatsApp or attend our daily Q&A sessions where we will answer all your queries. And rest all the other details are mentioned in the description box below. So sign up now if you'd like to become a content creator and start earning in 30 days flat. See you at Viral Me University.